My name is Jeannie, and I knew Dr. Gulani ahead of time before I even started coming here to him as a neighbor. And I happen to come from a medical family, and I'm very particular about the doctors I go to as a result. And I definitely feel like Dr. Gulani fits the bill for somebody who's very personable. His staff is very nice. And very easy to talk to and get along with, and that's very important to me. So that is one of the main reasons I came to him. Also because he is top in his field and he knows what he's talking about. I started getting cataracts, but I wasn't having symptoms, and so I kept not wanting to have it done. And then he finally told me that at my age, that 65 is the ideal age, and that as you get too much older, to get the maximum out of it, you need to go ahead and do it. So I went ahead and did it. I'm glad I did it. Before, I needed readers for my close-up work in my jewelry making and in my needlepoint making. I still, at this point, am not even able to read the newspaper, which I was able to, but it's just 2 weeks since the last eye, and he tells me that it will be improving with time because he's done more than just remove the cataracts. He has taught, and he's teaching my brain to react with my eyes differently from when they used to, and I'm not that worried or concerned about it. I just know that I have all the confidence in the world in him that I will be able to. He said I may still need glasses for my needlepoint and jewelry making, but I will be back to at least where I was before, which meant I could even get my driver's license when I went in for the eye test.